Hello, friends. When it comes to keyboards and mouse, people are often confused between wired and wireless options. So, first, let's understand why are we recommending wired combos in this video. Wired keyboard and mouse combos come with their own set of advantages. Let's take a look at what benefits you get with them. First up would be lag free response, no delays, no interruptions. Second is no battery hassles. No need to charge or replace batteries, just plug and play. Third is they are budget friendly. So for the same price, you get a more reliable build and better features. And the last but not the least would be longer lifespan, especially useful if you're doing full-time work from home. Today, we'll be talking about the top 3 wired keyboard and mouse combos. You will find the product links in the description box and pinned comment below. You can check the latest prices by clicking there. If you find the video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started without any delay. First up is Lenovo 160 wired keyboard and mouse combo. This one is perfect for office use, long work hours, and rough handling. Let's see its features now. So it is a full-size keyboard that's comfortable for typing with decent key travel. It has splash-proof keys, so no worries if you spill a little water. It has waterproof exoskeleton design, which adds extra durability. It has adjustable tilt legs, so basically you can set the keyboard angle to your comfort. It provides you silent operation, so basically providing you with minimal typing noise, no distraction during calls. The mouse has 1600 dpi for smooth and precise movements during work or casual browsing. The non-slip scroll wheel gives you a good grip, especially useful during heavy scrolling, and it comes with a 3-year warranty showing strong brand support. This is best for professional look, long working hours, and accidental spills. Second up is Zebronics Jurva 750 wired combo. This one comes with a funky design but with solid performance. Some of its features are 104 keys standard layout keyboard, which is easy to adapt. It has UV coated keys, so long lasting print that doesn't fade even with regular use. It has texture sides for a stylish look and grip. The USB mouse comes with 1200 dpi, which is good for daily tasks and web work. And this is of a comfortable size, lightweight, and portable. So basically, it is a great balance of both. This one is best for college students, beginners, and casual work from home users. The last would be Dell KB216 Plus MS116 wired combo. So this one is mini, classy. It gives you corporate feel with the trust of Dell quality. Now let's look at the features of this one. So it comes with a Strictlet style keyboard with a smooth and soft keystrokes. So basically fatigue free typing. It has compact design which takes up less space on the desk, ideal for minimalist setups. This one is spill resistant, so basically it protects against accidental drops. The Dell MS116 mouse comes with optical tracking and 1000 dpi, which offers a smooth navigation. It has an excellent build quality, durable for long term professional use. And this one is best for clean and premium work from home desk setups and Dell brand lovers like me. So it's simple. If you want a lag free, low maintenance, and dependable keyboard mouse combo for work from home, wired options are still king in 2025. For rugged use and long work hours, go with Lenovo. For budget friendly and decent features, choose Zebronics. And for a sleek, quiet, and corporate ready setup, nothing beats Dell. You will find direct purchase links for all combos in the description. Upgrade your setup without worrying about batteries. If you liked the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments which combo is your favorite. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.